Hey, to customize apps menu in the Android Auto on the Google Pixel 8a, all you have to do is just to go to the settings, then move to the connected devices, open connection preferences and tap on the Android Auto. And now go to the customize launcher, and right now if you want to get, for example, the messages at the first, just drag it like this. So click on the 6 dots, the 6 gray dots, hold with your finger and put it wherever you want in each position. But also we can remove some apps like a reminder or, for example, weather. If you don't using this while driving, just unselect them and they will be actually hidden. Now we can also sort sort the launcher, so you can actually get the custom order if you want. And you can click here to add a shortcut to the launcher. You can call a contact, for example, or you can simply create an assistant action. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.